Hey, everyone! Today we will be exploring the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and how it's making a significant impact in our everyday lives. From virtual assistants to autonomous vehicles, AI is changing the way we interact with technology. We have virtual assistants. You might be familiar with Apple's Siri or Alexa. These smart assistants can do things like setting reminders, answering questions, and even controlling our smart home devices. AI understands and processes our voice commands, making our interactions with technology more seamless and secure.
Hey Siri, show photos of my motorcycle. Where am I?
You're on 7818 North.
Turn off Bluetooth.
Okay.
Check my meetings.
You have 22 meetings from today.
Spell Fahrenheit.
Fahrenheit. F-A-H.
Wake me up in 1 hour.
The alarm's set for 1:35 p.m.
Set an alarm at 6 a.m. tomorrow.
Self-driving cars like Tesla are becoming a reality, and soon we may see them revolutionizing transportation, making roads safe. X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans to assist doctors in diagnosing diseases like cancer more accurately and at an earlier stage. This technology has the potential to save lives and improve patient outcomes.
How do X-rays work?
It's confidential.
Nah. X-rays are very high-energy waves. They were accidentally discovered by a physicist named Wilhelm Röntgen. As he did not know what they were, he named them X-rays. X-rays can pass through many objects, but if an object's density is more, then these rays get absorbed and don't pass. Due to this property, X-rays are used to detect fractures, tumors, etc. To detect a fracture, X-rays are passed through our body, which then hit an X-ray detector or a photographic film. Now, since our tissues are not dense enough, much of the X-rays pass through them and get detected by the film, thus casting a dark or gray shadow on the film. But as the bones are much denser, the X-rays get absorbed and hence, the bones appear white on the film. This allows doctors to have a look at the structure of bones and thus spot the fracture.
Google. Translate use AI to interpret and translate text from one language to another, making communication across languages easier and more accessible than ever before. Social media platforms like Facebook use AI algorithms to personalize our feeds, showing us content we're more likely to engage with based on our interests and behavior. Like someone likes traveling, Facebook will show up the content related to traveling. These are just some of the amazing ways AI is enhancing our daily lives. AI is shaping the future and bringing us closer to a more connected and efficient world. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.